Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia 3210 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with unlocking your device, of course, and entering the menu. So all you have to do is to press this middle button, then go down and left to find the settings and press select. Then do the personalization, press select, and the lock screen background, select. Here we've got two different albums, so wallpapers and our own gallery. Of course, you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. I'll choose something from the pre-installed options. So here we have to tap on select, press select, and as you can see, we've got three different options from which we can choose. The first one is currently applied, so let me choose, for example, this one. Simply mark the option I'd like to use and press select. And as you can see here, we've got our photo on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, press this left button, which corresponds to this tick icon. And now we can go back. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.